I was born and raised here. My mother from Betws, my father from Llandybia. He went on to work at Betws Colliery. I was brought up in T-Cross and educated here in Ammanford. It's been the greatest honour of my life to represent my community, first in Westminster and then in the National Senedd of Wales. It means everything to me. It means listening to you on issues that matter to you, whether it's the reckless NVZ legislation that is jeopardising our farmers' future or the lack of fast broadband in so many of our rural communities. It means challenging the current Labour government to better defend our communities from flooding. It means fighting for our fair share of infrastructure investment in Carmarthenshire, from the Llandeilo bypass to the Dyffryn Towy cycle path to the Amman Valley railway line. It means ensuring that our part of Wales isn't punished for being in the wrong corner of Wales. It means fighting for better support for local business and ensuring they can get back on their feet after the pandemic has passed. It's my privilege to represent Carmarthen, East and Dinefwr in the Senedd, and I ask that you extend that privilege to me once more in this year's Senedd elections.